Have you ever wondered how to start learning to code? Well, the journey of understanding the language of computers isn't as daunting as it may seem. It's like learning a new language. But instead of communicating with people, you're communicating with computers. The first step is to choose a beginner-friendly programming language. Python and JavaScript are excellent choices. Python, with its simple syntax, is like the English of programming languages. It's a great starting point for beginners. On the other hand, JavaScript is the language of the web. If you're interested in web development, this could be your go-to language. Once you've picked your programming language, the next step is to learn its fundamentals. Online courses and tutorials are a great way to do this. Websites like Coursera, Udacity, or even YouTube have a plethora of resources to help you understand the basics of your chosen language. After you've grasped the basics, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty. Practice coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. It's like solving puzzles, but with code. This will not only improve your problem-solving skills, but also help you understand the application of coding concepts. But coding isn't just about solving puzzles, it's also about building something useful. Start with small projects or applications. This could be anything from a simple calculator app to a personal blog. The aim here is to apply what you've learned and see your code come to life. Once you're comfortable with your coding skills, take it up a notch. Collaborate with others on open-source projects or participate in hackathons. It's a great way to learn from others and also showcase your skills. Immersive learning experiences like coding boot camps or workshops can also be beneficial. They provide an intensive, hands-on learning experience that can accelerate your learning process. Joining coding communities or forums is another excellent way to learn. It's like having a global classroom where you can ask questions, share your knowledge, and learn from others. Reading books or blogs on coding best practices and industry trends can also enhance your understanding. It's like keeping up with the news, but for coding. And don't forget to showcase your skills. Contribute to GitHub repositories. It's like your portfolio for the coding world. The key to learning to code is curiosity and persistence. Keep learning new languages, frameworks, and technologies. Remember, the world of coding is always evolving, and so should you. In summary, start with a beginner-friendly language, learn the fundamentals, practice coding challenges, build projects, collaborate with others, attend boot camps, join communities, read books, contribute to GitHub, and never stop learning. Happy coding!